Yeah, the music has changed a lot. In the way the lyrics. Actually, when I first began, it was very interesting because at that time in the early '90s, there was a whole slew of very vulgar songs. It started with Choli Ke Piche Kya Hai, which was still better than the sort of khatiyas and the khatmals and the really vulgar songs that followed. And I think that there's been a sea change from that. You have item numbers today, of course, like and Sheila, which are extremely sexy without being vulgar. No, it's everything. All aspects of cinema have been addressed because it is material written over almost 17-18 years. So there is there's profiles of stars, there's industry trends, there's talk about how money is going through the roof and we shouldn't be spending so much, and so it basically touches on everything. Yeah, the scripts, in fact, it was one of the first articles I did in 1993 was about how leading scriptwriters were very blatantly copying from Hollywood films. Yeah. And of course, that still happens. That's not gone away. We're still copying from Hollywood films. I think it's a little less now because you can get caught much more easily. But at that time, it was very blatant. I interviewed Robin Bhatt and I interviewed people who talked very casually about just taking material straight from a Hollywood film, and really that was their idea of a script, that you would just take a scene from there, another scene from here, and that was a script. And thankfully we don't work like that anymore. You have bound scripts, everybody reads a script before they go on set. Because it's a collection, the research was done at the time of writing each article, but there's always some amount of research that goes into any piece, whether it's a trend piece or it's a or it's a profile of a star. So there is always some level of research going on. I think though that the great promise, the great revolution that we thought would happen when the corporates came in, when the studios came in, it didn't really happen. I don't think we saw enough sort of creative, we didn't see a creative renaissance. I thought that was going to happen because you had corporates coming in, you had multiplexes coming in, you were going to see this great slew of really radical films, really different films, really original films. Actually, that didn't happen. Many corporates just went the same way. All they did was chase the stars instead of chasing the scripts. Yeah. So that, in fact, has been kind of sad, and I'm hoping that will change, as we evolve further. But it's always great to, I think, have more structured organizations making movies. Yeah. Hopefully, more books will come, and right now it's of course just my TV show, which is consuming most of my energy right now, which is Picture This on NDTV. For me, I think the most memorable is always going to be the Sholay book, which I wrote in 2000. That was my first book, and I think it's also my favorite film. Yeah. So I think just writing that book was a fabulous experience, and the stories were really incredible. The stories I got out of people for that book, and so writing that book was for me an amazing experience. Yeah, I like Bollywood. I think Bollywood is my first love. Of course I love Hollywood films. I enjoy world cinema, but I think Bollywood is the only cinema that if I don't see it for 3-4 weeks, I start to get very antsy and I need to see a Bollywood film. I don't feel like that about any other movie.